Job
Yeah.
there are actually like three. First one is a real estate developer. I mean the real estate tycoon.
Oh,
Second one is a surgeon. Third one is an actor.
oh,
I don't know which one should I tell, but I'm currently studying in medical school, so I think the simplest thing to do is to become a surgeon. Orthopedic surgeon. It's about bone and muscle.
Orthopedic, mashallah. Orthopedic.
So speaking of my other ambition as a real estate developer, I would like to build Aceh if
Mashallah.
possible.
In Aceh, what I have seen, I mean, really sorry to say it like
Yeah.
that, but there were really big corruptions.
Yeah, indeed.
A lot.
100% yeah, but
For example, I see some people, even though in Kampung Pinang,
oh yeah,
I say that, what is your business?
yeah, it's good.
Who is saying, for example, I'm government officer,
Oh,
working, let's say, in the tax collector,
oh.
for example.
Take collector ya,
Yeah.
but take collector. You can
So,
kerja.
I checked by internet how much salaries they get being as a government officer. It's like minimum 4.5 million rupiah a month,
Five, yeah.
and when you go up, it's about like
Triple.
35 million. Let's say the highest is 40 million rupiah. But I'm looking at the living condition of them. They live that he's having about 200 million rupiah a month.
Yeah.
I see that, for example, his car is LC,
LC,
Land Cruiser.
Land Cruiser.
Yes, Land Cruiser.
Alpha Fellfire.
I mean, so Land Cruiser is not, cheap car.
Cheap, yeah. 1.6
It's expensive
million.
car. Or they have Pajero something.
Yeah, Pajero.
His, let's say, son has got the own car, daughter has got the own car, wife has got the own car. He has LC with, let's say, even though you make 50 million rupiah a month, you cannot get them.
Yeah.
Plus, the house that he is living is a very luxury house with a very large
Come on, Paul.
area lot. So that means definitely corruption.
Yeah, indeed. 100%.
This is the reason. The first thing that has to be done.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to cut the corruption.
Yeah.
You know why the corruptions are happening?
I have no idea why.
Written by the Dutch.
Islam.
Islam.
Yes.
Oh.
Don't misunderstand me. Don't misunderstand me. People, they are using the name of Islam and hiding their sins behind of the Islam. They show that they are really good Muslim. They are obeying the rule of Muslim, but they are not obeying. They are corrupt. So this is the reason in this country, first you have to separate the government issue and the religion, which is this country has to be secular country. In which country is the secular and the people has the power to question the government. So in these countries there is no problem, there is no any corruption. Go Switzerland, you cannot find. They are secular country. They are Christian, but their rules are 100% based on the Islam. They don't hide even 1 cent from the government while they are paying their tax. Because they are educated like this. They learn from their family, even though in the school or during their school life, they are growing like this. So that's the reason Switzerland is the best country of the world. You may like it or not. Isn't there any negative thing? Of course, there are lots of negatives. Like, you go to any restaurant, you want to eat something, you say, okay, give me this from the menu, but they don't show you, or they don't tell you if it is pork, if it is horse, if it is beef, or lamb. Whatever they bring, either you will eat or not. This is very bad. But they don't force you to eat it. You can choose vegetable, or you can go to, let's say, halal restaurant that you can eat there, halal food. But they tell you definitely what it is. Okay, so what I mean is, maybe it is not possible for Aceh, but you have to do something to stop the corruption.
Yeah.
So who is going to do it? Of course, I'm not going to do that because I'm not Indonesian.
Yeah.
You are.
We are.
Yes.
We
You
are.
going
We will.
to protect your country.
Yeah, inshallah.
It is your duty. As Atatürk did for Turkey, right? So you know more or less the history of Turkey. I mean, because of the school that you went there. Right? I mean, they are not easy things. You may lose your hat. You may get, let's say, penalty for that. Everything can be happening this way. But it is not easy to win Jannat.
MashaAllah.
Of course. Every time there will be some difficult things to do. So that's the reason, before you become contractor, or you want to establish the new things in the country, you have to change something. So today you start, maybe you cannot do it, but after let's say 10 years, 20 years, somebody will follow your footprints and will manage it.
Barangkali Indonesia was always a secular nation.
I mean,
You're not based on some religious laws. The constitution.
Indonesia totally is different. Aceh is different.
Oh yeah.
I mean, for example, while we were flying from Jakarta to Aceh, before we land, if we come in with Lion, we land to Kuala Namu in Medan,
Yeah.
and after taking off from Medan, they are announcing we are going to land to a Sharia country.
Sharia country.
Right? So there are a lot of penalties that you can be faced,
Yeah.
especially if you are drunk,
Yeah.
if you have drugs with you,
Yeah.
if you have some illegal things, even
Yeah.
though you can be faced with the penalty of that.
Yeah. Because we have a Sharia law.
But who is putting this Sharia? Who is deciding that? They are not following the Quran. They are not. Because in the Quran, it doesn't say kill this, kill this, kill this. No,
It's in their own favor.
yeah, it gives, Quran is telling you some straight things. For example, if you are in the Gaza, in the war about religion, if you need to
Holy
protect,
war.
holy war, if you need to protect your religion, so you are free to kill your enemy, not civil people, to your enemy. But the rest you are not allowed. So that's the reason.